My name is Janelle and I'm an operations team leader in repair. What we do in repair is we'll contact the customer on around day 3 of the claim, say look, we've got the estimates for you. So the next steps we're looking at is either send the images to the relevant garage if it's a drivable car, or if it's undrivable then we'll look to bring the vehicle on site for a bit more in-depth kind of estimate to be done on the vehicle. I started last year in July, but I started as a claims handler. By October I was put onto a coaching improvement plan. Pretty much from then just slowly progressed. I think by January I was taking inbound calls as well, which is quite interesting because you're learning how to work cases and your workload alongside kind of take inbound as well. So you're supporting customers from both ways, which is quite cool. Pretty much I think by May I was like a level 2 case handler, so kind of supporting colleagues with coaching sessions. There was asked of me, so can you coach this person and help them a bit on this kind of claim? And I think with my team leader at the time, she did support me, putting me up to become a team leader, which was great. So as soon as that role became available, I just had like a little feeling in my chest. I was like, okay, come on, I can apply for this one. So I applied for it, just hope for the best. If I get an interview this time, then great. If I don't, then obviously just a bit more practice. I had my interview, and I think the anticipation for about 2 weeks was just like, have I got it, have I not got it? Luckily I got it, which is where I am currently. So I've been a team leader for about 3 to 4 months now. It's nice to look back and see I was a case handler on a coaching improvement plan, and now I'm a team leader doing as much as I can to help the department as well as customers as well. I think working with my team is amazing. We've got a good environment. There's no silly question, I ask questions all the time, and even to other leaders as well. I'm like, okay, what do I do on this one? Everyone's learning, I'm learning myself. It's just doing the best we can to support each other as well as kind of keep our customers happy as well.